Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Alice. So today I want to show you how I sketch a cat. I know for some people who love animal drawings, we feel like we have to dive in thousands of hours of studying animal anatomy first. But what if I simply want to feel the joy of sketching only? So today I want to show you how I think of a basic structure of a cat as I draw, but I can still finish a very dynamic and flowing style of a cat sketch. If this is something that you're into, this is the right video for you. So the beautiful thing about cat is its super dynamic body line. That's why you'll find that using curvy, flowing lines along with some solid, sharper straight lines is really important for a sketch like this. When I first look at the reference, I usually do a quick scan for the proportions and the basic building blocks, like the head, chest, back, legs, feet, and tail. And here's the thing. When I sketch, I don't really care if I leave my draft lines visible. Some people call them construction lines. I actually believe it's helpful for us to see those hidden lines because that gives us the foundation for the CAD structure. So I'll leave lines everywhere. Then, as I approach the end, I just press a little harder to make the main outline stand out. I never go back and erase those drafts because this is just a sketch. It's like your journal, nothing to hide, right? This particular pose is pretty dynamic. So I'm going to focus a lot on the curve of the back right here. Remember, a reference photo is really a starting point. How you interpret the photo and translate it on your paper is up to you. So after the head, I'll lightly map out the lines for the legs and the back. I'll draft a light circle to place the thigh, then use those straight lines for the feet and curvy lines for the tail. And there we go, a quick cat sketch.